In this video, we'll cover the process of exporting a server profile using Network Share NFS. From the Lifecycle Controller homepage, click Platform Restore. On the Platform Restore page, click Export Server Profile. Under Network Share, select NFS and type in the share name. Next, click the Test Network Connection link to check the network connectivity to the share. This will bring up the Verifying Network Connection dialog box. If everything went correctly, a dialog box indicating that the network connection test was successful is displayed. Click OK. To begin the export process, click Finish. The export window is displayed during the export. Finally, this window shows the export of the server profile was successful. Click OK.